Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the W, show you what it looks like. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to pivot, come back, step to the right, pivot, cross once, twice, boom, boom, and stop. The W. So everything starts off the same, and I'm going to stop you at 8, okay? So we're going to start from the top, 8 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to stop right here. The left is up, so it's a left pivot. Left, you're going to cross twice, once, twice, stop. You're going to walk to the right, starting with the right foot. 1, 2, stop. The left is up. You're going to pivot twice. Cross once, twice, stop. The right toe is up, turns in, cross twice. Cross once, cross twice, stop. The W. Okay, so let's try it, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop and turn. Left turn, cross once, walk to the right. 1, 2, left turn, cross once, right turn, right, cross once. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop and turn. Cross the right over the left. Walk to the right. It's a left turn. Cross once, twice, stop, right, turn, cross, step, and stop. That's the W. Okay?
One direction's so much easier than the other one.
So the beautiful thing about this is that after you learn these steps, you're no longer right foot or left footed. It becomes even on all your crossovers, on all your moves. Nothing. So anytime you do this, it's just going to feel natural, whatever that is. So you won't feel like you're doing a foreign step of any, okay?